Welcome all of you for Sanjani courses which are exclusively offered by Sanjani Group of Institute. So I would like to welcome once again you on behalf of Sanjani Group of Institute's Honorable Management, all principals, heads, deans, staff and students. And we know that you will definitely enjoy our courses which are available on this given portal https://sanjanicourse.learnist.com. This is an exclusive portal given for needy learners to upgrade their skills for better tomorrow. So let's begin our journey with this portal. So there may be a question in your mind how I can join these courses which are going to upgrade my skills. So don't worry, I'm going to demonstrate you the procedure how to enroll or join for courses which are available under this Sanjani courses portal. So let me highlight here once again, our portal is sanjanicourse.learnist.com. So once you will go on your mobile phone or on your desktop or on your laptop, you will find your any web browser, and just in that web browser type our portal details as like highlighted here, sanjanicourse.learnist.com, and once you press enter you will get the main portal or of our this Sanjani courses portal. So once you will get it, you will be going to explore our main page which gives you all the details in short about our Sanjani courses and the features which we offer through this particular portal. See, once you scroll this entire page, you will find all the details related to you, but the most important part is here, that is courses. Here you will be able to see the various courses which are right now launched by Sanjani Group of Institute, where if you want to join any course, you need to just click on that course and you will move ahead. Just as an example, suppose I am clicking on this course. Once you click on this, you will be able to see the details about that course in our portal. Okay, this is the one way where you will come in our Sanjani portal. I'll once again repeat the procedure with live demo of how to put our this URL and how to get logged in or enroll for the courses. So I'm just going to put it here, sanjanicourse.learnist.com, and then press enter. You will be entered in our portal. Yes, same one is now open here, and I was talking about this. Yes, by clicking on any course you will be able to explore its detail for your help. Just I'm going to click on any particular course and then that course details will be highlighted for you. Okay, let it open the details. Yeah, it is loading, and then you will come onto that course where the details of that course are given with its course description, its syllabus, and even its author details and the details which are mentioned here about this course. Now if you want to join this course, what you need to do, you have to click on first of all on a sign in, or you can go for this buy now. But if you are the first time user, I will prefer you go on that particular course sign in page. Once you click on a sign in page, you will be asked to enter your email and password. See, this is the one of the way. Here you need to enter your valid email and its corresponding password so that you will be forwarded to the next procedure. So if I am going to say here, I am going to log in as a student with my username and password. See, this is my valid email ID. You have to enter your own email ID as a part of this login. So I'm just entering the details of student of my email ID, and then I'm entering my password and clicking on sign in. Once I click on sign in, okay, I'm coming inside the same course where I clicked initially from my portal. Then here again you will find the details are highlighted to me, but still I am not a part of this course. Here you can check by clicking on this your particular icon. You can find your account, your enrollments, support for you, and sign out. But now in account, what you will get? See, in account you will get an idea about your details, your account name, your email ID, and your contact number. See that for this email ID, though I have been logged in, my email ID is not verified. So it's a request. Once you sign in, you go back in your email box and find an email from Sanjeevani Group of Institutes. It may be either in your inbox, in your updates, or in your spam folder. Just check it in which folder it is. Go there and click on confirm mail link. Your email ID will be verified so that you will be able to proceed properly in our portal. So here in account you will get this general information, your preferences, you can change certain details. Once you purchase any course, its invoice will be available for you inside this particular portal only. You can check once you enrolled, once you purchase any course, its invoice here. You can see your addresses, okay, which can be given for billing as well as for shipping. So currently I have not purchased any course under this particular email ID, so my details are blank. So if you want to purchase any course, okay, you can go here and you can see my enrollments. See that when you are going for my enrollment, currently I am not a part of any course, that's why my enrollments are 0. See that. Next is support. If you have any doubt, any query, you can raise the support ticket and you can send it to us. Okay, so this facility is also made available to you. See that. So then you can sign out from here. But to confirm your email, suppose you have not received any email from Sanjeevani Group of Institutes in your email box, you can resend email for verification by just clicking over here. Okay, fine. So now the next thing, once now I am a part of this, once I signed in, okay, suppose just I am making sign out, then it is going to show you the message you have been signed out. But now if I want to join any course, I'll just go on explore, and then I am able to see all the courses over here. But you may find, okay, our total courses are 7, but here it shows me only 4. So where the remaining one? Just click on view all and you will be able to see all the courses to join. So out of these courses, suppose you want to join one of the course, just click on your interesting course, okay, or your own choice course, and then just enter into that course details. Okay, I'm just clicking here. Again I am getting the details over here. So if I want to join this course, I need to buy that course. Just click on buy now, and then it will ask you to enter your email and password. Suppose you are already signed in, just use the same email ID to join this course. Okay, I'm just using the previous mail ID by which I have been just done my sign in. So I will enter my respective username and password, and now I am inside in my course. Yes, so I came here, and then once I sign in, I can now buy this course. Click on a buy now, then the next page will be opened. Okay, before this I would like to ensure all of you please verify your email ID so that all the details of invoice and everything will be shown to you. See, when you click on this, suppose you are going to join this course today. So today is 22nd August. So this course is going to expire on September 22, 2020. So 1 month time is there for you to complete this course as per your today's enrollment. Suppose you will enroll tomorrow, then it will go up to September 23. So see that. Then how to pay the amount, it is showing all the details over here. See, to before going for amount payment, you need to give the proper address details. So for that you click on add address. So I'm just going to give some sample address details. So once I'll give the sample address details, see, it is requested to all the learners, please give your valid details so that we can send or we can ship your bill details or certificates later on your given shipping address. So please give it properly. So I'm just giving the shipping address details. Okay, I'm entering the details and giving the contact details also for a minute. And then you can, landmark is optional. If you want to enter, you can enter. Once you save the address details, then your payment details are activated. So we have been made a secure payment gateway to do this payment. Just click on pay securely. You will come to the next page where you have to give your particular valid phone number to which your account is registered. Okay, then you can give the mail ID on which you want to receive this receipt of this particular payment. So give that details, then just click on proceed. You will find various options for your payment. You can do the payment while with the help of your cards, with the help of net banking, wallet, UPI or QR code. Okay, these options. So if I want to, okay, the simplest method is go with UPI or QR. Just click it here and you will find you can do the payment for our courses with the help of Google Pay, Beam, Phone Pay and more. Just enter your UPI ID or scan your QR code and do the payment. See, this way once you do the payment, then automatically this particular course on successful payment will be available in your enrollment list. So once it will be there, okay, you will find under the my enrollment your course will be shown and you can start learning. So in this way you are going to enroll in our course and then you are going to continue the learning on Sanjeevani portal. So with these words, okay, we wish you all the best for your happy learning and thank you very much.